Morning. Another road ride. Kendal, Natland, Sedgwick, and I'm just on my way to Sunside. What a cracking morning. Absolutely beautiful. So as always, the route for this ride will be below in the description. It's a link to Strava, and you can just add that to your Wahoo, study the map, and just go and have an explore. It might be somewhere you've never been before. So there we go, that was another jolly out, sunny in the saddle. It was brilliant. So, as I say every time, like and subscribe, and I appreciate the comments too. And there might be somewhere slightly different in the next couple of coming videos. We're heading south. See you next time.